Welcome to my channel on computer, and today our topic is how we use comments in a Python. So friends, what are comments? Comments are non-executable statements in our program. Python use a hash character for the comment. Putting hash before a text ensure that the text will not be read by the interpreter. So let's see on the screen. So this is our simple while loop. In this loop, statements series print from 1 to 10. I put a hash. So friends, this is a simple comment. I run this code. Before running, I save it. So this is output of my code, series from 1 to 10. Remember friends, just like C++, there is option for multi-line comment also, but in Python there is no option for the multi-line comments. For example, if we want to enter a comment in the next line, or our comment exceeds from one line, then I put hash again and my comment continues. As a part of the Python course, it is taught that in order to do a multi-line comment, one should use triple quotes. This is wrong. Python only has one way of doing comments, and that is using hash sign. Triple quotes are treated as a regular strings with the exception that they can span multiple lines. You can watch my video working with strings regarding that. So now continue with comments. So again, I save this code before running. So this is output of my code. So friends, this is a comment. It is a very good practice to use comment for program documentation, so that it become easier for other programmers as well as you also to maintain or enhance your program when required. So friends, subscribe my channel and watch my channel for more Python videos. Take care. Bye bye.